Good afternoon guys, just repairing the polytunnel after Storm Bert. We tried to put the polythene on the inside but just can't get down the back of the wooden pond. Anyway, I'll take over from then. Yeah, so what I've done is got a load of sheets of polythene there and I'm stapling that to the fence. Don't run away, because I don't know if you can see it, but these slats here, they're open to the elements, and the wind's getting in there, which contributed to the fact that it ripped the polytunnel to bits. It can be repaired, but what I'm going to do is do a framework over the pond. I'll show you when we get back in, so I'll catch you in a bit. Well guys, I've repaired it. The youngest daughter was kind enough to get me some more of that stuff. Well, she had some at home and gave it to me. The other bit's gone in the bin, but it's all weighed down and repaired. It was this part here that ripped. The rest of it was okay. Blew me sign off, but I've took it off now and put it in the filter house. But I think it's about 9 degrees outdoors here at the moment. But in here, it's just shy of 15. How about you get a better view? Oh. 14 and a half. There's no wind coming through the back there now because that's all sealed right in. There's a bit of a gap over there, but that won't hurt. These in here, 8.1 in here. They're all doing well. There's one of the little grow and show ones down there. Look. Little fatty, a lynch of bunkins. I don't know if you'll see these here, but they're the grow and show the difference ones. Filter's cleaned, just topping up. It's had a good flush through the filter. The skimmer's off at the moment, but here she fires up now. You can tell that's the temperature it's set to, and the temperature it is, so the skimmer's working. Just got about another inch to top up. Yeah, they're all doing alright with me. Sorry about the ripples on the water, but it's where I'm chopping up. Turn the flow rate down a bit. Power 25 watts. Flow rate is set at 30. So yeah, the moving bed takes a bit of time to churn over. I need to get a better air stone in there, I think. Yeah, I'm pleased I've repaired that. It saved a bit of money, but it's not to say I'm not going to I'm going to frame the two sides in from the bottom there up to the top, do it in two halves, both sides round, and so then I can sort of take it off easier. We'll have to see. Probably have it running inside there and inside over there. Yeah. Anyway, we're back down the farm tomorrow for some more fun and forex and hijinks and arsonistic tendencies. So catch you later. That's it for another one, guys. This is Rocket Boy blasting off, and I'll catch you later.